This video will walk you through the process of setting up a LiveAuctioneers bidding account. This video contains the following sections: creating your free LiveAuctioneers account, how to follow searches, how to register for auctions, how to place your bids, and winning your treasure. New account costs. A LiveAuctioneers.com account is free. You will only be paying if you're purchasing an item at auction. Creating your free account. 1. Go to www.liveauctioneers.com. 2. Select Join on the top right-hand side of the home page and a window will pop up. 3. In the pop-up window, in order to sign up, you will either need your email address or your Google account information. 4. Click the I accept box after reading the terms and cookie policy. 5. Click the Start Now button to finish setting up a new account. 6. A new window will pop up asking for a password that must have 7 or more characters, upper and lowercase characters, and at least one number or one special character. 7. Click the blue Join button. 8. After clicking the Join button, you will be prompted to complete your bidding profile. Fill in the required information, including first name and last name, and mobile phone number with area code. Click the blue Next button. Add shipping address. You can skip this step. Click the blue Next button. Add payment method. You can skip this step. Click the blue Next button. 9. After filling out your profile information, you will be asked to verify your mobile number. You can skip this step. Fill out your mobile phone number and click the blue Continue button. A text with a code will be sent to your number. How to follow searches. 1. Go to www.liveauctioneers.com. 2. In the top left of the page, you will find the search bar. Type what you're looking for in the search bar and click Search or the magnifying glass icon. 3. On the next page, near the top left of the page, just below the search bar, you will find the Follow Search button. Click this button to be notified whenever new items matching your criteria are added to liveauctioneers.com. You can manage your followed searches from your dashboard and in the LiveAuctioneers apps for iOS and Android. How to register for auctions. 1. Once you have selected an item you would like to bid on and opened its web page, you will find a Register for Auction link just below the blue Place Bid button on the right-hand side of the screen. Click the link to open a new pop-up window. 2. In the new pop-up window, you will need to input any missing information, like shipping or payment details. To actively bid in an auction on LiveAuctioneers, you must register first. You may also place absentee bids in advance of the auction time, which doubles as registration requests if you're not already approved. Most auction houses approve registrations within 24 hours. Every auction house has different criteria for approval, so it's best to register early in case they require additional information from you. Once approved, any absentee bids you may have placed will be active. How to place your bids. Each auction house handles shipping and payment differently, so before you bid, be sure to review shipping and payment policies to avoid any surprises. Also, be sure to take note of the auction's live bidding start time. This is when live bidding begins, starting with the first lot in the auction. There are 2 ways to bid. Absentee bidding. You can place absentee bids in advance of the live auction. Our hassle-free absentee bidding system ensures you get the best prices. Be sure to submit your maximum bid amount before the live auction begins. Your bid stays at the lowest minimum amount required to keep you in the lead, and increases, up to your max amount, only if another bidder places a competing bid. Live bidding. Your chances of winning are 3 times greater when you bid during the live auction. Live auctions begin at the time indicated on catalog and item pages. To bid live, simply visit the catalog or item at the indicated auction time and click Enter Live Auction. You will be taken to the bidding console where the live auction is taking place. 1. To place a bid, navigate to the item's web page and click the blue button, Place Bid, on the right-hand side. A pop-up window will open, allowing you to review and customize your bid. Win your treasures. You will be automatically notified when you win an item on LiveAuctioneers. Following the sale, you will be able to make your shipping arrangements and you will be invoiced by the auction house for your items. Your credit card information on LiveAuctioneers is never shared, so auction houses who do not accept online payments via LiveAuctioneers may request additional information from you. If you need assistance, or if you are having difficulty confirming your account, please contact Live Auctioneers, client services at toll-free phone number 888-600-2437 or email us at info@liveauctioneers.com.